actually the complete experience of mine. Next. And you only two examples. This is Zakira Rasooli from Afghanistan. She was representing in UN Youth, and she told अफगानिस्तान में जो ये है अपनी लेडीज है वो रास्ते पे मर रही है क्योंकि वहां पर पुरुष डॉक्टर को उनको हाथ लगाने को अलाउड नहीं है और लेडी डॉक्टर है ही नहीं। ऐसी हालत है बहुत सारे देशों में। एंड शी एक्चुअली वो वहां से भाग कर आई हुई है और वहां पर जो इस्लामिक कंट्रीज में ऐसे जो जिनको बोलते हैं ना फैनेटिज्म जो तालिबान वाले जैसे होते हैं वहां से जो लोग आए हुए थे ना वो वहां से नहीं आए थे। दे केम फ्रॉम द कंट्रीज लाइक US, UK, France, Germany. They get opportunity as a scholarships and then they come and then they present themselves. So she was really very she was telling that my mother, father, everybody is over there and I'm working over here for women empowerment and security and our position of women in that my country. So same thing is here for Uganda. She is a very great lady from Uganda and she was a member of parliament of opposition and she collected around rather we can say 10,000 of women who are in distress and she was explaining and sharing her experiences. I think we are very safe here in India. Next. So the last concluding session, I can tell you that she is a new chair of CSW Summit number 70 and she is from Costa Rio. She is Vanessa Chan Velveta. Actually it is not a person who was selected, a country gets selected. So she is the head and then there were Rwanda, Lebanon, Romania, some of the European countries are there, some Asian countries are there, but India is nowhere up till now. She is the first women president for up till now. It's the first one. It's the 17th summit and she is the first lady. So everybody has appreciated that and she is a very we can say soft and clever girl or we can say lady and what she said I really thankful to her कि सामंजस्य और सामोपचार ये दो बातें हैं जिसके कारण हम आगे जा सकते हैं और वो करना जरूरी है। We need cooperation from United Nations as well as we need UN needs cooperation from the countries. So it is give and take. No one-sided help cannot be there. So really good. I was sitting on the front row itself. Yes, next. These are some side events. I don't want to explain here just now. Farmers market next. Alarming position of women in distress. हमें कौन चाहिए तो हमें बाहर देश में रहने वाला कोई अच्छा सा बहुत बोलते रिच बकरा चाहिए एज अ हस्बैंड और तब जब भी प्रॉब्लम होती है बिना पंडित है और there are so many organizations, chain of organization. And what she has said, I will tell you in one thing, that before you marry any NRI, please have a bank account in that particular country, have driving license of that particular country, and also have keep your passport and everything with you only. Don't give it to your in-laws or husband. And what I told, but don't you think this is mistrust or it is like a betrayal? She said, फायर के लिए तो हम ये करते हैं ना, फायर कैसे आग कैसे बुझाने का उसका हम ड्रिल करते हैं। अभी कल भी हम करने ही वाले हैं ना वॉर ड्रिल वगैरह, तो ये भी एक प्रकार की ड्रिल है। आपका मैरिज सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए ये करना जरूरी है। सो मेक दिस ड्रिल make it possible, and then only you will survive in the marriage. Next. And this is what many things. Next. And one of the last slide, this is. I took this opportunity to make my research on role of men on in women empowerment, we can say, efforts. And I am very sorry to say 40 के ऊपर वाले जो भी हस्बैंड नहीं बोलूँ मैं, जो भी मेन थे, वो सभी बोलते हैं नहीं लेडीज को खुद को ही एम्पावर होना चाहिए, तभी वो एम्पावर हो सकती है। आप क्या करेंगे? हमें क्या करना है? हमें कुछ नहीं करना है, दे आर ऑलरेडी एम्पावर्ड, ऐसा वो बोल रहे थे। लेकिन जो कॉलेज के स्टूडेंट्स आ रहे थे वो बोल रहे थे हमें मालूम है that women should empower, और वो कभी empower हो सकती है when we give equal opportunity to each and every person living in this world। हम अपने सरीखे सबको जब मानेंगे, फिर उसका जेंडर कुछ भी हो, उसका रेस कुछ भी हो। थर्ड जेंडर people were also there, they had their issues, I also attended that also। But you can say what is the financial, you can say independence, everything। So those students were telling me what is women empowerment and how we all can do it possible। So I am really hopeful for the future। And the last what everybody said there, we can say, is power plus peace is equal to progress and prosperity। Power with peace, peace with power। अबलों का अहिंसा नहीं चलेगी, सबलों की अहिंसा चाहिए, बल चाहिए, उसके साथ में हमें शांतता चाहिए, तभी हम कुछ प्रोग्रेस भी कर सकते हैं और प्रॉस्पेरिटी भी ले सकते हैं। So this is what my experience, and actually I am very happy to attend that, and I am getting lot of motivation out of it, and I am again on for more and more social work, many more years till I can. Thank you.